So how's the school today?
Good, but I'm going to do that tomorrow.
What color is tomorrow?
Red.
I thought it's brown.
Oh.
Did you trick me?
You should trick me. I thought it's brown tomorrow.
I think so.
Oh. There's the wipe, anak. What time did you wake up this morning? Where are you going? Say thank you. Oh God. What color is your popsicle?
Red. Oh, no.
What color?
Yeah.
It fell.
Hey, Daddy, it's not here.
Her popsicle fell, Dad.
Get wipes and pick it up, please.
No, fell on the plate. It's a nice fall.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me get this.
That's cold.